Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that gold is currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the daily time frame. Now from the daily perspective, we see that gold is a bearish market turning to a bull market. Starting with this strong impulse from this level, we saw that gold triggered liquidity from this resistance, created this impulse, and then followed by this correction, another impulse followed by correction. And as gold market structure was moving, we saw that there was an expansion in that movement. There is a longer impulse with a narrower correction, and we saw that it became narrower and narrower, and finally with this doji we saw that gold had a bounce. Now with that bounce, we can expect now gold to move up to even to the resistance zone here. As we see that previous day, this is the daily middleman in that zone. The price has crossed this daily support, triggered liquidity, and formed this middleman, which is a typically bullish price action. As a result, today we saw that once the market opened from that level without even dropping down, the bulls started to buy, filling that daily long week. At this point, we see that the price currently has created an overextension from this daily trend line, from this daily resistance, and as a result we see that there is a pullback coming on the lower time frame. Now with that pullback, what we can expect on gold is that the price to come back down to this daily support. It could retest this daily opening and closing, and from that zone we can expect another bounce to the upside, as it is a long-term bull market now, and we can expect the price even go back to this daily 20 EMA. Now from the intraday perspective, what we see that gold has shown a strong liquidity gap in that zone. First of all, you saw that there is a double bottom in that area. With this double bottom, this is a long wick candle that has crossed all these low, which is a strong liquidity trigger, followed by back-to-back three sessions of liquidity gap. It gained a huge momentum in that zone, and as a result we saw that the bulls now pushing that price high, and we saw that here also the price created multiple liquidity candle. Now this current one, we saw that the price from that zone started to move up. We can expect for the price to come back down for a deeper pullback during this session of this candle, which is still 1 hour 15 minutes remaining. What I think that gold, at any point we can expect a retest of this daily support, and in that zone we can expect another bullish momentum. This will be a very important area of value for a potential bullish trading opportunity on gold. Now looking at the 1 hour chart and lower time frame, we see that gold currently showing a pullback. Let's look at the 5 minutes to see suitable entry opportunity on gold. Now in this time frame, what we see that gold currently created a long consolidation in that zone, and from that consolidation, after multiple liquidity gap, we saw a breakout correction, another impulse. Currently we see a local breakdown. Now this is the previous smart money zone, which is the previous swing low, which is the support here, turning resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. Now in that zone we see that the market left an imbalance. If we look at this level here, this is the previous resistance here as well, which there is a gap in that zone. And what I think that highly likely we could see locally gold might come back down to that zone. This is the previous swing low, and also we are expecting to test this level. This is the zone that I'll be waiting. If we see that gold made it to this level with a slower or a speed up correction, we can expect to have a rejection along this zone. As soon as you see suitable entry opportunity on gold for this potential move to the upside, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below. That will help this idea to be visible to more people. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.